Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you what all items that I got in the Happy Meal from Loft Artista. The link to her Instagram page is in the description below. And this is the rosette wand that she sent me and it is so cute. She sent me the mail in a purple and pink theme. This is the paper bag in which she has added embellishments, letter and many cute stuffs. Now let's open it one by one. So these are the envelope embellishment that she sent me. This is the letter that she handwrote for me. And this is a bookmark. These are some hand-cut unicorns and these are so perfect that no one can believe that these are hand-cut. And this is a cute pretty Polaroid shaker. She also sent me some net cloth. I hope I am naming it correctly. But yeah, she sent me these to it would help me embellish my craft projects and yeah, it would make them a little more pretty. And now the sequence mix that we promised to give each other, and this is so hell pretty. And now to the most favorite part of the Happy Meal, that is this album. This is actually an embellishment binder album and you will be amazed to see the embellishments that are inside of this. So I hope you guys like this small Happy Meal opening video, and yes, like, share, subscribe, comment, show some love, and I will also be uploading the tutorials of most of the items that I sent her in the Happy Meal. And if you are here watching me, thank you so much.